What's up, everyone? Are you looking for a tiny little trailer with a toilet? Are you trying to go number 2 while you're on the open road? Well, today I want to go over 4 tiny trailers with toilets. Come check it out. Four tiny trailers with a toilet. Now I get it, these don't have a big bathroom, a regular dry bath that you can just walk in and sit down and relax to go to the bathroom. But as far as actual purposes and priority goes, this does have a toilet that I can use when I need it. Ease of mind. So let's go over 4 trailers that have the toilet. This one being number 1. This is going to be the 2024 Rock 12,000 by Coachman Clipper. It's only 2,100 pounds and it has everything inside from 2 different beds to the 5-gallon cassette toilet to a roof rack up top and 200 watts of solar. Let's walk around this camper, check it out.
This Rock 12,000 comes with a 9-foot electric awning on the outside. Then we go into the indoors, check out this 5-gallon cassette toilet with a countertop cover. Slide it out to put water inside or to dump it. Right here's our water fill. Dump stations down below. Pull that out, wheel it in to dump it wherever you should dump it. Close it back up. Put that countertop down. Storage behind it, 3 different little shelves. Storage up top, 12-volt fan. Gaucho style seat right here that flips down into a bed, pushes into a couch. Storage underneath. Perfect for the pets, perfect for the guest. Over here we have some storage. Countertop. Plenty of storage underneath this bed. The bed's actually on some gas struts. Queen size bed. Underneath we have 4 drawers and a cubby on one side. 2 nice big shelves on the other side with a fuse box, breaker box, and a carbon monoxide detector. Here's showing you how deep the slides go. Charging station, stereo, 5,000 BTU AC, electric, heat, screen door, roof rack on top, and a 200-watt solar panel in the back. I'll show you that in a sec. We also have outside propane connection, which connects over here to our outside kitchen. Right here's our pull-out skillet. Pop that top off and we have our stove. Here's our fridge and our freezer. 12-volt fridge, runs off battery. Microwave. 2-burner stove, sink. Faucet pops off for an outside shower. Storage underneath, some cabinets with shelves. Bottle opener over here on the side. Now we're going into our driver's side or road side, which is where all of our connections are. This also shows our walkable fender. On top of the roof we have our roof rack system, ladder bracket to get up there, and a 200-watt solar panel. Also the vent for the 12-volt fan.
Alright, number 2 on the list for tiny trailers with toilets is going to be this right here, the little guy Micromax with the CT, the cassette toilet. This thing's only 1,800 pounds for weight, so it's kind of in a class all by itself because it is all self-contained and it has a toilet. Now we can turn it so we can sit right here and use it. Or you can sit next to your friend at the dinette and use it. But at least we have the convenience of the toilet say we get sick, say we just want to go out and go for a couple weeks and we need the toilet, we have it. So when we want to flip it right back, let me move this over, turn it, spot for toilet paper in here, bang bang. All right, just like that. That locks into place. Now it's nice and secure. We can use it for a countertop if we want. Never even know it's there.
These little Micromax are neat. They're only 6'10 or 6'11 on the outside, 5'9 on the inside. Comes with a 2-inch ball, manual tongue jack, removable wheel, 7-pin round wiring with a brake, diamond plate tongue box that's going to protect that propane and that battery. Also inside of this propane box comes the battery disconnect switch. Right there is where we put the battery inside of the L-shaped brackets. 20-pound propane tank. Underneath the diamond plate box, we have our PVC pipe for the sewer line. We have 4 stabilizer jacks all the way around the outside on this too. Down here is our dump station for our gray, which is our drains. We have a bunch of windows on this little camper too, for how small it is. Beautiful aluminum aftermarket wheels with nitrogen inside. Outside shower with hot and cold water. Water heater. 30 amp service. We also have a coaxial cable for cable and satellite, and here's going to be our water connections with a city water connection and the fresh water fill. City water is for campgrounds, fresh water fills when you're going boondocking. Now into the back, we have LED lighting, 100-watt solar panel up top, and we have this trailer hitch in the back that holds up to 150 pounds. Now onto the porch side, we have outside storage. We also have our outside furnace over here. Storage is held with a magnetic lock. Over here is our Keter rail, our furnace. Outside propane hookup. Outside speakers. Outside TV bracket to bring the inside TV right out and hook it up. And that's where you plug it in. 120 watt plug there. AM FM radio antenna. Porch light. Entry door handle. Here's an outside table bracket so we can bring that lagoon style table inside to outside. Oh, and then this takes both hands apparently. As I'm trying, and it just takes both hands, so I'll figure it out. Pop both those buttons and open that door. Now we can take out the cassette toilet. This right here is a cassette toilet dump station. Bring it out, wheel it where you need to dump it, and dump it. Now let's go on to the inside and check this out. As soon as we walk in, we'll see all the beautiful cabinetry, fuse box and breaker box, stereo, master control panel, lights, switches, levels, storage, microwave. We have the solar controller up there, AC antenna or AC remote, and the furnace. Queen size bed in here that flips up into a dinette. We have the stereo, TV. Don't quote me, it might be a full size bed. Storage underneath. Lagoon style table bracket there. Full kitchen over here with a 2-burner stove. And now into the 1.9 cubic foot Dometic absorption fridge. Storage underneath the sink. Nice deep stainless steel sink with the sink cover and the strainer with the stainless steel faucet. Over here is going to be our dinette seat with this awesome pull-out drawer. I love how that works. Charging station underneath the dinette up front. This dinette can be moved inside or out. Over here is going to be our cassette toilet. You can also use it for cabinetry. Pop it open like a puzzle, turn it around for easy access to use it. Tuck it away, you never even know it's there. It's like a puzzle. And there it is. This camper has a lot of options for its size, and it fits in our garage. Now, on to the next.
Okay, the third trailer on today's list is going to be the Sunset Park Sunray 129. This is one of my favorites just because of the versatility. I have the toilet inside, I have the place to wash my hands and brush my teeth, warm up my coffee in the mornings, but I also have my full-size bed that turns into a U-shaped dinette, and I have that bunk up top and kitchen out back. This is 1,900 pounds, and this is a Sunset Park 129. Let's check out a quick walkthrough, and I'll show you around.
This camper comes with a 2-inch ball, manual tongue jack, 7-pin round wiring with brakes, 20-pound propane tank, battery, storage grate up front, with a full-size spare underneath. We also have 4 stabilizer jacks at each corner. Comes with a disconnect switch up front for the battery. Right here is our shower drain, furnace exhaust, dump station for the gray tanks, fire escape, spot for the Lipper on-the-go ladder rack with the roof rack and a 100-watt solar panel up top, 30-amp power service. We have our off-road tire package on here with the lift, coaxial cable. Right here's our water heater. Now we're going into the back where we have our outside shower, our outside storage. Outside shower has hot and cold water. Now we're going into our full outside kitchen. This thing has a 12-volt fridge, cabinets above, 2-burner stove, little bit of countertop room with the stovetop and sink cover for more countertop room, sink, storage underneath, switches for lights and fridge, and a 12-volt fridge with a double door with a freezer section. Now over onto the porch side, we'll see that we have the backup camera mount on the back, external propane mount underneath, single step to get in, 5,000 BTU AC, and this camper even comes with a screen door on it. When we're walking inside, up front, we'll see the microwave, storage underneath, full countertop space with plugs for the coffee or the TV, actual toilet in here that's plumbed. We can tuck it right away and hide it so nobody would know it's there. Only use it when you need it. Over here we have our U-shaped dinette that flips down into a full-size bed. And up top we have our bunk that holds up to 130 pounds on the bunk portion. Flip it up, lock it in, and then we have our cabinets. 5,000 BTU AC, 100-watt solar panel up top. Windows for cross breeze. Only 1,900 pounds with 2 beds, ample amounts of storage. Shower, bathroom, full kitchen. Perfect for that small family and still get out on those adventures with a lightweight towing capacity. Up front underneath the countertop, we do have some storage, and they offer it as many places as they can. Heater blower underneath there. That is a 129 by Sunset Park RV. On to the next and the last.
All right, This is a Grand Escape by A-Liner. It's 2023, and this one also comes with a hidden toilet inside. So let's go through it and check it out.
Here is a 2023 A-Liner Grand Escape Plus. This also comes with a 2-inch ball, manual tongue jack, removable wheel, has electric brakes. This has a 20-pound propane tanks ×2 with the cloth cover. Has that full-size spare underneath. Now we're into the 4 stabilizer jacks around the outside. Over here is going to be our portable water fill. Marker lights at each corner that run with only running lights. Water heater. Some nice aluminum wheels. Onto the back side, which we have a rear entrance with a 5-gallon cassette toilet. This is where we're going to dump out our toilet. We also have the Thule awning. This is a manual awning with a little handle inside that you operate it with. Outside porch light, top mount air conditioner. Now into the side where we have our fridge controls, our outside shower with hot and cold water. Over here is our 30-amp power plug, furnace, 110 outlets, a couple connections. So we have our city water connection there, our solar controller connection, and our coaxial cable. And there's a 100-watt solar panel. Couple windows, our hood vent, and now let's go inside. As we walk in, we'll see our 2-way fridge. Above that we have our 2-burner Dometic stove, hood, microwave, cabinetry, into our sink, which is a nice stainless steel sink. Some storage underneath that with all of our controls. Controls are going to run our water heater, our light switches, water pump with some plugs. Now we're getting into our queen size bed with that table that pops down and tucks away. And the bed consists of the dinette with 2 gaucho style bunk benches that pull right out. TV in the back with a couple cabinets, windows for the nice cross breeze, nice big air conditioner unit, overhead cabinets, more storage over here with some countertop space. Then if we flip up this countertop and snap it right in, we have our 5-gallon toilet that's tucked right away. There is a little latch in here as well. Another neat tiny trailer with a toilet. I love the different ways they find access to these, and I'll tell you, even though you don't always need them, it does make it more convenient on those trips and a lot easier to think about.
Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the episode. Do me a huge favor, smash that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and keep on coming back. Also, make sure you check out my Patreon too. We're building up the community. We're trying to get 24/7 chat going, and I would love the support. So, thanks everybody for watching. Keep on coming back.